Hey, what up, y'all? It's your boy Degenerate, back from a week of work, 2 days of work actually, and now I'm sitting at my house, and I'm here to start doing some gambling again, right? I don't want to waste any time, so I'm gonna hop right into the charts. I've been looking, I guess Monday, I noticed that we were on a 9 count. I'm gonna turn that moving average off. But we were on a 9 count right here, and we had a sequential 13 over here, and I didn't know about this at the time coming up, but I saw a 9 count and it was looking like a doji. Ooh, I think I was looking at the weekly chart as well. There's just so much that was pointing me to short this, and I entered in a short at 59.19. So I'm $100 underwater at the moment in terms of trading prices. But again, I'm looking to cut this trade if it were to go above 61.34. Hadn't done that yet. If you were to follow Tom DeMarc's plans in general, you would have cut your trade up here at 62.63, and you know, this is your target down here, like 51, 50.40. My target's 50.81 at the moment. Total, that's a 3.4 risk to reward ratio. So that falls within my trading lines, and yeah, I just figured might as well enter a hedge, because I like where my account balance is at the moment, and if it stops me out, then you know, whatever. I didn't gain that 3% move or so, but I de-risked essentially from any drop in the future, as long as, you know, it doesn't hit above 61.34 first. So I'll see where this plays out. You know, you see the other 9 count literally right after that. You have a 1 through 4 period correction. This first 9 count, it blew past that previous 9 down count, wherever that is, way down here. And if that happens, it's normally thought that it's going to keep continuing until you start seeing these like aggressive 13s. And that's when I start looking for a shorting opportunity. Like when you're looking at the RSI, you can tell that, you know, it's not making higher highs. It's literally going lower. Your on balance volume is going to go up and up and up as long as your closes are consecutively higher. If you open lower than where you close, your OBV of course is going to be framed upwards, and you can see here close down, so it came down there. I haven't looked at shorter term charts, but looking at that now, you're almost on another 9 count. But this structure itself is like bullish. Like I want to see it like make a new high. I want to see it consolidate, trending lower, and then I want to see it go higher. Like right here, like, ooh, I don't think I would have bought that, but that structure right there is strong in itself. Anyway, I'm still trading shitcoins. I think at some point in the future they're gonna pop off, and when they pop off big. So I'm looking at Stratus right now. It looks like some dog shit for real. On a scale of 1 to dog shit, look at where Stratus, like, oh my god, nowhere. This isn't, oh, it's down there. Fuck. So I originally got stopped out at like 12.90. I entered in at like 1300 or something in this trade, like 1367 I think was before Monday. I saw this and I thought, oh hey, this is people accumulating or whatever. It's gonna pop off. But that trade totally got cut at like 12.94, and now it's at like 12.20. So I want to enter in around there, and I want to cut it real soon afterwards. Probably sizing in. That 1 minute chart looks sporadic as fuck. But anyway, on Stratus, I'm looking to size in like almost half my account. The 200-day moving average is nearly double where price currently is at. The 200-day moving average is up here at 22.90, and your price for Stratus is 22 or 12.23 right now. The 2400 would be double. You know, right around there. But you don't even see like a lot of volume come in at this level, even back here, in comparison to what traded up here at the 2000 level compared to what traded around here at the 1700 level. It's not really seen, especially on the volume profile. So Stratus has an AMA coming up on Binance. It was announced about 12 hours ago. And yeah, I think they're only going to get more exposure. I think that PR is going to kick in. And some folks are going to buy some fucking bags. So if people are willing to sell me some Stratus right here, fuck it. I'll size it in an account and then dump it when it gets into that territory that, you know, I want to sell it at. My first target definitely going to be 1600. That's almost an 8-to-1 risk reward ratio. Now I'm looking at this. There's no way I'm sizing in like 45% of my account, or 50% of my account. And my stop is like almost 4% low. I'm probably gonna size in like 25% of my account on this. So I would have an 8% total account gain if it ended up hitting around 1600. Let's see, what else am I looking at? I'm looking at Cardano. Cardano is, you know, there's like 4 billion Cardano coins. Charles Hoskin has Cardano listed on like every exchange possible. It's probably just a way to fund IOHK. But again, this shit's on a 9 count. It had an aggressive 13 yesterday. If you're following time to marks indicators, you would size in, and this would be your target over here. So technically my stop loss should probably be around at least 80 Satoshis lower than where it is right now. Probably like, if it's 1022 at the moment, I should probably size into like 940. At least, you know, that's his trading system. At 940, that still gives me above a 3-to-1 risk reward ratio. So that's chill. You'd be sizing in about 1/8 of your account. No, it's 8% stop loss. So yeah, be sure to count in trading fees with that. I think that makes sense for y'all. If not, let me know. Then finally, I'm looking at Zcoin again. Just look at this shit. It is on the floor again, and yeah, dude, it's never been this low in terms of BTC terms on Binance, and it's still going to be used as a crypto. So I'm buying in. I'm going to risk 9% of my account, and I'm going to see where it turns out. First goal still going to be that 1268, and I'll go from there. 200-day moving average is at 1400. That's what, 40% higher than where it currently is? That'd be an insane gain if you just followed it. So yeah, I mean, if you really want to like take the risk that it's not going to drop below like 1034 and you can size in your whole account at the moment and then size out if it does, you know, 1400 wouldn't be a bad target. You might gain like 40% on your account. Ooh, I want to talk about that Binance hack. Did y'all see that shit? Got hacked for 7,000 Bitcoin. That shit is crazy. So if you're trading on Binance, you know, maybe don't have all your coins on that exchange. They did say that they were going to cover the loss from their insurance fund, and deposits and withdrawals at the moment are disabled probably for the next week, I believe I read. But you know that as soon as that happens, you know, why wouldn't I get my funds off that exchange? What if they can't cover it? What if they like fake cover it? You don't want to be the last one with money in the bank when the bank has no more money. So yeah, I think that's all I'm going to be trading for the rest of this week. If these trades don't work out, I should just go take a break. At least for like a day. And yeah. I got stopped out of my 0x trade, and that was, I think, yesterday at some point. You know, 0x even lower than where it was. It's also on a 9 count if you want to size into that. Stay on this page. You also have Icon. Got stopped out of that trade about 6 Satoshis ago. Again, that shit still looks beautiful. Your 200-day moving average is up at 700. It's currently at 500, so it's not a full 40% gain. But again, Icon is trying to brand itself as the Korean Ethereum, and if anything happens like that, you want to be holding some Icon. So right now it's like 30 cents or some shit like that. It's real cheap for Icon. Let's see, what else did I get stopped out of? I got stopped out of Monero. I haven't won a trade this week, so talk about some real degenerate gambling right now. Anyway, that's all I got for you. It's your boy Degenerate. I'll see you tomorrow. Probably coming at you with an informational video, and yeah, I'll talk to y'all then. Cheers.